Hello guys, welcome to our second price action chart breakdown video. In this video we are going to break down GBP/USD using price action patterns. Okay, the rules are the same, meaning the process is the same. It's always the same. Go to higher time frame. This will be our daily time frame. Okay, from the daily time frame, remember, the way to master this is to be able to master, you should master your trend lines. Then your trend lines will add up and give you your price action pattern. Okay, then let's see, we are on an uptrend from low. Remember, I said this is more art than science, guys. Point A, point B, then point C. Okay, before wasting any time, this should be visible in only daily. Okay, then point A, point B to the future. The most important thing that you must not do here is, when drawing trend lines, is to do this. Maybe trying to do this and say, trying to force things. Say, you see, this is a trend line, this is a break, this is a trend line, this is a trend line. As you should never ever break through price. Then from weeks, as you only have to spot 2 points. Spot point A, spot point B, then to the future. Point A, point B, then to the future. Unless if you spot point A and point B, then the third point comes and breaks the price. And when it breaks, that's where we become conscious about it. That's where we start to look for our entries. And then what we have here, someone can say we have ascending channel, or someone can say we have a wedge here. It doesn't matter what you say. On this ascending wedge or channel, we expect it either to continue. Here's the thing again. Like I said, most of the things I will explain them. Point A, point B. Most of the things I will explain them as we continue. Here is the thing here. Why is channel and wedges both reversal and continuation patterns? Somebody might tell you that, but might not explain why. Because this right here, if it's a continuation pattern, it's a continuation pattern only if it continues on its direction. When it's done, what it will do, it will break and then retest, go down. And when it breaks and retest, you already know, you are not stupid. If it comes here, breaks, retest, go down, you already know about structure. Okay, it pulled back, higher low was broken and retested, then go down. It will still make sense to you. So what is it that we are going to look for? Remember, it was GJ was a complicated pair. Let me put a support resistance here to become support. Remember, GJ was kind of a difficult pair to trade at the moment. Let me try and put the supports here. Levels here. I'm going to guard against it. This one, it won't leave my side. No matter how difficult it is, it's never going to leave my side. This one. Okay, so it means that it will come. If it's a continuation, it needs to push further. It needs to fill this week. Never broken. This was never broken here. It needs to fill this week right here, and by filling this wick to come somewhere around here, then come back down. It can come back down to this level. But if it goes up, as candle goes up, it doesn't go up on a straight trend. It will create maybe some 3 candles or 4 candles. When it goes down, sorry, this is our meal ticket trade. Goes up. When it goes down, when it reaches this level, this is a take, this is a take, this is a given, because it also resistant becoming support, trend line, bouncing. And remember the rules of trend line. Point A, point B. This kind of point C did not touch. This is still point B. Then when it reaches point C, we expect it to break or explode. Then that's where we take trades. This kind of a trade will be like 1:, here you will get something like 1:5, 1:6, 1:7, 1:8. This is what we are looking for. Even 1:10 is possible for this trade. So this is our meal ticket trades. These ones, they are normal trade. These are the trades that give us 1:1.5, 1:2, 1:3 maybe. But this our meal. This right here, this is our meal trade. Like this one right here. This was the meal trade. This one, even though it was 1:2. Let's try and figure out if you got in on an impulse trade, the way we modified it. If you got in, if this was a time frame where you were supposed to get in below and it hit this level, let's see, okay, it hit this level, 1:2.5, you would come in to this trade with counter trend. You took this counter trend trade. Remember, as the market is moving up, you would take this trade, because this is a meal ticket trade, high confluence area. So let's see now. We'll wait for it to do that. And okay, I'm not sure if, okay, let's keep this. Going to H4. Let's try to find a pattern here. We have point A, point B waiting for point C, you see? Point A, point B, if we use trend lines, use this, use that, okay? Point A, point B, then visible only on hourly time frame. Then do you want to use this point A, point, like we don't see anything much here. So we also we can also have this right here. What does this tell us? Either we use this as point A, point B, or this as point A, point B. This going down, no. This, we don't have to use this, like we have a support here. So now we are waiting for price to tell us whether, after bouncing from this, because it came from here, sniper trade, and then New York session, pre-New York is opened right now. What's going on? Pre-New York is opened right now. Oh, sorry. Pre-New York is opened right now, and I'm seeing what's going on. Let me see if this. Okay. Okay, let me switch this one off. I don't understand. About 40 pips to something like that, yeah. I don't understand what's going on. Okay, I might wait for this to break this area here. This is what we call, as modified traders, this is what we call a mystery box. And we only break mystery box where we break mystery box in our sniper entries, sniper analysis. Then we want to see what we want to see here. We want to see price, and remember, this is only pure leading indicators. It's us determining what will happen to the market, not other stats or whatever it is that is lagging coming to tell us something after it has happened. No, it is us who's determining what will happen. It is pure us here. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with this chart. Let me just finish before it gets into my what you call. So here we have area of confluence here. If it will break, I will even wait. I might even wait for it to come here or bounce. It can even bounce off from here. I will just have to wait for it. I don't know what is happening here. So from here we'll go to M30. What is it that we see from M30? Because this is what we use to enter the trade. You can see this. So from M30, I only see support. Let me just use this line. I only see support here because I'll be line going down. Okay, I see support here. I see support here. I see this level being supported here. Then I see what I see here. And what I see here, it's point A, point B, about to break point C. Did I see something like that elsewhere? It was not this pair, maybe it was. So retest still coming back here, then it will break down. Let's go because okay. Oh, sorry, M30. This must only be visible on M30. Sorry. This must on minute time frame. Then H4, something I saw. Yes, remember what I said here. I said what can happen, we can see after this break, and this can be it, because this can be retraced and bounce up. Hence from M30 we are seeing it doing what? We've seen the price breaking this descending triangle, break, bounce, go up, but descending triangle simply telling us that the price can also dip in to break and retest and go down to this area. Snipers are waiting for this. I don't know what is happening here. 80 pips, that's a lot. So guys, and then you know the entries with this trade. It's a little bit tricky. You'll want it to come up here. You will want it to come up here. From this area, okay. From this area, you will want it to come right here or down to touch. If it touches, it will be based off. It doesn't touch the line. If it touches the line, it will be based off this. You see? If it touches the line, it will be based off that support, then move up. Then it is up to you how you will determine your profit. Then you carry on reaching this level. Maybe you risk management will come to play here, then going up, because we know what we are targeting at this point. Okay guys, this is GBPJPY price action pattern breakdown video. Let's see what happens here, and then I will see you in the next videos where we will be doing sniper entries. I cannot wait, and I would like to give you a tip here. First, use these things first, then we go to sniper, because on sniper trades we just use everything together to get a small portion, then we enter. based off that. Okay guys, see you in the next videos.